Baby, you opening the box? Yeah? Okay, you and Mama are going to open the box together. Okay. Look out. Ooh, look. What do you think, baby? What do you think? Does it look good? It looks good, huh? Look at that. What do you think of that, baby? This is your new bed. Let's dig it out of there and see what you think. Oh. Okay, it's hard to video and get it out at the same time. Oh, look at it. Look at it, baby. Okay. Oh. Wait, let's put it here. Oh. It's a deluxe deep dish medium. Makes it sound like a pizza. Oh, it's all weird right there. Let's get that part good. What do you think, baby? Are you gonna fit in there? Let's capture the tail wagging. Your tail's wagging, yeah. You like it? There you go. Oh, good girl. Good girl, fresh out of the box, and she gets right in it. It looks very cozy, honey. What do you think? You want to lay down? Want to lay down in it? It looks really cozy. Yeah. Don't chew on it. Don't chew on it, baby. Nice butt shot. Don't nibble it. Why are you nibbling it? No. Lay down, baby. Do you like it? Oh, good girl. Good girl. You like it, don't you? Oh, that's good. We'll show that to Daddy.